Hey friend, welcome back. Let's talk about Binance token, BNB, my price prediction and chart analysis of BNB for the month of June. So if you're wondering, should you buy BNB? Should you sell? What's happening? I will answer all of your questions in this video. And as always, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purpose only. So here I am on BNB's chart. And as always, we want to look at the daily chart. We want to zoom out and look at the big picture because the big picture gives us clues on where the future price could potentially go to, and it prevents us from buying high and selling low. For example, at this point in time, there's people who foam in at the top, and the price dropped 32%, which caused them to buy high and sell low. And then there's a point in here where people bought the top here and the price dipped 58%, which caused them to buy high and sell low. And we don't want to do that. Next up, we draw our chart pattern so we know where to buy low and sell high. And what do I see? Well, what did happen was there was a rising wedge, and here's a rising wedge. And what usually happens during a rising wedge is that the price goes up and then it breaks down. And it's a bearish chart pattern. So let me draw for you. All right, so here I am on a chart, and we draw our rising wedge right here and then right here. Let me explain what happened and how you draw the chart. All right. So whenever you're drawing a chart, you want the line to touch the candle at least twice. So one time here, 2, 3 times awesome, and on the top right here is called resistance, and then it touched once, twice, 3 times, 4 times awesome. So rising wedge is a bearish pattern. Is it right here, bearish rising wedge? So what usually happens in a rising wedge is that price squeezes to the apex and it decides to break up or down. But since it's a rising wedge, it has a higher probability of breaking down. And as you can see that the price has broken down, Bitcoin has dumped, and altcoins dumped too. So what's happening? Well, since for those who know about trading, who know about rising wedge, and you took profit and you tether here at $660, that's great. That's very good for you. So price has dumped because Bitcoin has dumped all the way down to 30K just now. So what's happening? Well, what we do is we draw our chart pattern so we can buy low and sell high. So what do I see? Well, here's what I see. I do see support here, right here, and I do see support right here. So what happened? Well, Bitcoin dumped, and then altcoins dumped, BNB dumped. So from the top here, from all-time high, BNB has dumped 59%. So if you manage to catch the wick, the price right here at $284, you're buying at a 59% discount. And that's wonderful. You're like a Black Friday shopper. You know where to shop for discount. And as always, we want to buy low and sell high. So next up, what do we want to do? Well, we want to look at the support. I have drawn the support, and let me mark the price for you. The price level is right here, $332 and $286. So again, you're buying at a huge discount. You're buying at a 58% discount. So what we want to do is we want to enter the trade with risk management. And risk management is just a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. So say that you're a long-term hodler and you enter here. So I think the price does have a decent probability of going back down to 286 just to touch that level. So what we do is we enter on that we enter in that level. So this is what we do. So the price goes down like this. Say the price goes down like this, and then you enter the trade. So you enter the trade with risk management, and risk management is just a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. So this is what you do. Give me a second. Do something like this and like this. All right. So say that you enter here and you believe that the market has a decent probability of bouncing back up because nothing goes down forever. So you enter a trade with $5,000, all right, $5,000, and you enter a trade with strong hands, all right. So it goes something like this. Then you would have gained 74% of that $5,000. However, if the price breaks down like this, and then you would lose close to 8%. So you see how you have the potential to gain 74% but lose 7%. This is how you trade with a mathematical edge. This is how you make money over a long run. Because you have to put your stop loss. Because what happens if it keeps going down and down and down, and you'll be down 50% on your money? Like what happened to the people here who bought the top at $670 and they didn't put a stop loss. All right, friend. So what's happening? Well, Bitcoin crash, by BNB crash. So nothing goes down forever. I do expect for BNB to bounce back up. So what we can potentially see is we can see something like this. If the market if the bull regains control of the market, or it goes down like this. But what we always do is we take risks and we use risk management. So friend, you see how you can use technical analysis? So you use your chart pattern, so you know where to buy low and sell high, and you use your risk management, so you gain more money than you lose. These two strategies are really powerful when you combine them together. And that's what helps make you money over a long run. So if you have enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy my premium Telegram group. Because if you have been losing money, my group helps you become the smart money, so you can stop losing so much. So when you join the group, you get a winning portfolio strategy, small cap coins that could go 10x, and get access. You get access to my trading course, so you learn how to trade with confidence. So you know where to enter and when to sell, and much more. Membership starts at $37. There's 86 of us in the group. You come in, you join, you chat, you chill, you learn, and it's really fun. Click on the video description, and here's my Telegram address. You can click here to talk to me on Telegram. Anyways, friend, so that's my prediction. I do hope that you have stayed safe during the crash. I hope that you did make money during the alt season. So yeah, if you have found this video informative and useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll make more awesome content to come. Thank you.